Hey everyone, Brian Edmondson here. Just want to make a quick video for you of the Graco 4Ever 4-in-1 car seat. This is something that we really love and honestly wish we found it sooner because of how long this can last through the life cycle from having the baby until it starts growing up. So really one car seat, you know how much these things can cost. So having one car seat that can last such a long time is really nice. A couple features I want to point out is one, this is designed for safety. Of course, that's most important, but also comfort. So this is it has side technology to absorb impact in case, God forbid there was ever a side collision. It's extra sturdy on the side, which is really nice safety feature. They call it the True Shield impact protection. From a comfort standpoint, we have an adjustable headrest. This adjusts in 10 different positions. And as far as the versatility of this can be a rear-facing car seat, good from 4 to 40 pounds, a forward-facing car seat from 22 to 65 pounds, and then you can use it as a high back booster, 40 to 100 pounds, and a backless booster, 40 to 120 pounds. This reclines in 6 different positions, which is really nice. And you can see there's actually some nice features like 2 little cup holders here, one click handle, and the audible clicks are really nice, so when the seat clicks into place and it's secure. So if you're in the market for a car seat, this is one that we love and use and highly recommend.